As a part of our digital marketing service, we already created a WordPress website, we already did the SEO, we already started the Facebook marketing, we already did the Facebook ad campaign also. As an extent of that, today we are going to show you how we provide Google Ad support to our projects, to our clients. So what is Google Ad? When you search something in Google search bar, you will get to see two kind of search result. Let me share that with you. So I search cat dry food in USA, California, and you can see there is two kind of results. First one is sponsor. This is from Google Ad. Using Google Ad, they took the first place, and after all the sponsor is done, all the other search result like Walmart and other supplier is natural and organic search results. They get this position organically. So as you can see, we provide Google Ad service from our website. How we provide the service? We started with understanding the client objectives. Actually, what a client wants out of that Google Ad campaign or out of from us. So we started researching that. Then we started research and planning like market research, keyword research. Then we develop a strategy like whatever client product is, whatever client service is, and what we can provide with our experience. Then we make a strategy, make a plan to achieve that goal. So after that, we create an ad campaign, we run the ad campaign, we monitor the ad campaign, we see the conversion rate of that ad campaign, how much we are investing and what is we are getting from that ad campaign and other things. We provide different kind of Google Ad management service like search ad, display ad, shopping ad, video ad and app ad. So we will discuss each ad later on. So as a digital marketing service provider company, we provide all the service you are looking for to run your successful digital marketing, your successful Google Ad campaign. This is Iqbal Hassan. I am from eMart IT. Let's start. To run a successful Google Ad campaign, you must need a Google Ad account. Creating a Google Ad account is very easy. Few technical setup required. So we already created the Google Ad account. Let's check this out. So you can see this is our Google Ad account. There is few options like campaign, goals, tools, billing and admin. Every section has different work. So we will start with the ad campaign. If we click on the campaign, you can see we already created few campaigns. So we will create a new campaign, and whatever ad campaign we are going to show you, it is in our website. For some security reason and some confidential purpose, as you know that we are not showing any of our clients' website or project. We are showing you all the practical thing in our website. So we can create the new ad campaign. After that, you can see like Facebook, Google is also offering what kind of service we are trying to achieve with this ad campaign. They are offering sales. If we want to improve our sales, if we want to generate leads to a specific website, then website traffic, if it's a blog site, and any website, if we want to generate daily visitor, we want to increase our traffic, then we can check this out. We can promote our app, we can create some awareness, we can create this for local shop visit and others. So for our website, we will started with generating traffic for our website. So we need to click website traffic, then continue. We already created two, so we will create new one. Now here you can see the important thing. You can see what kind of ad we can create. After that, Google is showing us what kind of ad we want to choose. First one is the search ad, then performance max, then display ad, then the shopping ad, then video ad. There is lot of different kind of ad. For a beginner and for the maximum results, we use a search ad. Then clicking the search ad, we need to enter our business website, that is eMart IT. Then we can create a name, add to, then continue. After that, we need to do some technical setup, like what we are looking for. We are looking for conversion, like we want to sell to get a conversion, or we want just visit, we want sign up, or we want comment. So we set conversion, set as target cost per action, or we can leave it blank. We can select a monthly limit or weekly limit. Then we can click next. Now we can select this ad will only appear in Google search or some other website also, blog website and any other website. Display network is causing more money, so we only include the Google search partners. Then we can choose which location we want to promote. So we can change the location according to your product, your service or your need. Enter another location. We can select USA. We can select a specific location. We can add as much location we want. Then the language should be English. Then the next. Then we can put a description out there of that ad campaign, and or we can generate a description as per our requirement. As we provided our website, they are showing us some result that what kind of service we are providing. Amazon wholesale, Amazon retail arbitrage. We can add as much service we want. Then you can see according to our service, Google is providing us some keyword. All these keywords are pretty good, but we will do the keyword research separately in Google Keyword Planner. With Google Planner, we can search whatever keyword we are looking for, like Amazon FBA, and we can search our website also. It will generate some keyword as per our service. Get results. You can see it is showing us a lot of keyword. Whatever keyword we want to took regarding its monthly uses, monthly search volume, we will select that keyword and we will copy all those keyword and paste those keyword in this section. As like keyword, we can put description as well, like this is the title, and for that title Google is providing us a short description. We will add this title and description as per our service, as per proper research. We will put focus keyword and some other SEO friendly description and keyword, so that we will get maximum out of it. And whatever it will look like, the ad, you can see the sponsor ad will look like this. After that we can select next. Then we can choose our daily or monthly budget. If the budget is automated budget is very high, so we can do the custom budget, like we want to spend $30. Then next, as we are just showing, because of that we are escaping too many things, just to let you know that how this works. After that we need to click publish campaign. It will take 1 or 2 days to review from Google. When it got approved, it will start it automatically. So what is the purpose of this campaign? We need to set that as well. To do that, we need to go to the goals, conversion, create conversion action. In this section, we need to mention what we want to get, like a website, phone call, app. So we choose website. We will put our domain name, scan. Then we will click add conversion action manually. We need to select what we want to achieve. Is it purpose? Is it checkout? So what we will choose, page view, conversion name, test view 1. This will be the same, count every. Then it is done. Save and continue. We already set up the ad campaign. We already set our goals, that what we want to achieve from this ad campaign. Now we need to check actually when the ad campaign is running, what is the outcome of this ad campaign. To do that, we need to sync our website with this ad campaign and with this setup. To do that, we need to use Google Tag Manager. We need to tag these two, conversion ID and the test page view, to our website. To do that, we need to create a Google Tag Manager account. You can see we already created the Google Tag Manager account, and this is our ID. If we want, we can create a new account, like create account, company name, suppose eMart IT, country, then our website, that is eMart IT. We just need to put www.emartit.com. Target is web, not iOS or Android, web. Then we need to create, click, we need to agree, yes. Now the important thing is we need to add these two code, head and body code, to our WordPress website. We already did this, so check this out in our WordPress admin panel. We can add. To do that, we used a plugins. The plugin is header footer code manager. If we need to add new, we need to paste these two code and we need to sync. We need to check our website is connected or not. So this is our website. Let's test. After adding these two code, we need to create new tag, rename the tag test1, then conversion linker, enable linking on all pages URL, then all page, then save. Then you can see we already sync all the pages and our website. Now it's done. We need to click submit. We just publish, we just add a name, test, continue, or you can skip. So you can see it is created. Now we need to check goals, conversion, and you can see this one we just created, but you can see it is inactive. We need to troubleshoot it. Continue. This is our website. You can see it is taking us to the website. As you can see, it is showing connected. So it means we set a ad campaign and we tested the ad campaign running properly or not. As the ad campaign is not approved, after approve the ad campaign, we can check the results, how many visitors we got, how many sales we generate according to our requirement. So I think I already shared with you all the technical detail and the research to run an ad campaign. It is not only this, there is more than this. You need to do a lot of research and a lot of other technical thing as well, which we skipped in this video because of the video running length. So if you want to do any Google ad campaign, any digital marketing service, any e-commerce management service, then please let us know. We are really looking forward to work with you. For any information, you can visit our website or you can email us. Our email is info@emartid.com. Thank you.